Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
So we have finally made it out to the Big Cypress Bayou out here in East Texas. If you don't know what the Big Cypress Bayou is, so it is the river that connects Lake of the Pines in Jefferson, Texas, and Caddo Lake in Karnak, Texas. So it's a river that runs between them, and this place is loaded with fish. This is like one of my go-to spots, but there's so much ground to fish here that it's almost impossible to fish all of it. So today we're just gonna be hitting a piece of it, a piece that I haven't been to in a long time. It's been months upon months since I've been over here. Probably earlier this year was the last time I was over here. So we're gonna give it a shot there. I don't know what they're gonna be biting. It's like coming to a new spot. Since I haven't been here so long, you know, when you kind of know a place and you start figuring them out, and then you don't go for like a couple months and it's like you've never been there before. That's kind of what today's going to be like. So I've got a bunch of different baits tied on. We're just going to try to figure out a pattern and see if we can get on some fish. So it's about 40 degrees right now, pretty cold. I might have a little underdressed, but it's actually supposed to warm up really nice today, and we're gonna see how these fish are acting. Usually these fish in the rivers get colder than the main lakes, so sometimes they can be a little finicky, and sometimes the bite can be absolutely fire since they don't get pressured as much. Today we're just gonna have to see which mood they're in. So you guys stay tuned, hit the subscribe button for me, hit the like button. Let's get into today's video. So I'm kind of cruising the river and just trying to find some deeper spots on my graph here, because I feel like it's so shallow that if I find them, they're going to be holding to a deep spot. So I'm kind of just cruising, trying to find those deep spots that look really good. But I really need to pay attention to my gas. I don't even know how much gas I have on my boat. It's so easy to get lost in the beauty of this place that, I mean, it's just beautiful out here. Look at this. Just sun peeking perfectly through the trees. Nice cool morning, just cruising. All you hear is birds chirping and the motor running. Squirrels climbing trees. And it's a thing of beauty out here. There he is. There he is, yep. He didn't have much fight in him. So there's a lot of these fish like this in here, guys. A lot of fish in here like this that have a spotted bass. This river is loaded with those size fish. Don't get me wrong, I'll catch them. There's a ton of them in here. You can have a 20 or 30 fish day easily out here with those guys. I mean, hey, I'm not complaining. I'll catch them. But sometimes you just have to weed out those small ones to get one of the good ones. This water here looks a little bit deeper. Stuck them. Yes, sir. That feels like a little better. Yep, a little bit better. Let's go. Look at the size of that spotted bass. That's a beautiful fish. Look at that fish, guys. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Healthy fish. So I may have figured something out. That's the second one on the chatterbait. What I did with this is I took the skirt off of it, and I just have a trailer. So it's like a skirtless chatterbait, but it's done me really good. A little bit better of a fish there. I'll catch those all day long. I do not mind. I was just saying, once we got to this little spot right here, deeper water, I mean, I was running it through the middle of this spot and he crushed it. Oh, I was cutting my camera off. He came back for it. I was cutting my camera off and on, And oh, this is a nicer one too. This ain't a bad one. Let's go. We might have figured them out, guys. We might have figured them out. Let me check how deep it is here, so that I know. 9 foot. See, there's a small drop right there. That's probably where they're hanging out at. 9 foot. That was my guess. I guess I was right this time. It's just so shallow everywhere else that if you can find a nice deep spot, they'll be fishing them just like that. Came off on me. He came off. They're sitting at the bottom. They're definitely down there though. Let's try this, guys. Let's try this if they're chasing the white chatterbait. Let's give this a shot. This will get down there towards the bottom. Oh, he hit it. Oh, there's like 3 of them chasing it, guys. Not even joking. There was 3 of them all trying to eat it at the same time. They are loaded down there, dude. They are loaded. Let's see if we can catch 2 at one time. That'd be sick. Got him. On the A-rig. This is a perfect bait for this time of the year when they're chasing the bait like that. Look at that. What a beautiful, beautiful fish. Oh man, this is going to be a fun day if they stay eating like that all day. I can't believe I'm out here catching them on the A-rig at the river. It's insane to me. Smoked it. Eating the A-rig. Oh, there's another one with him. Oh, he came off. Dang it. Oh. That's a pretty good bite. I came back for it. Oh, right at the boat. Right at the boat. Gonna be a fun day. And there's a bait they want, they let you know it. But us as fishermen, sometimes we just don't listen. Sometimes we're just too hard-headed that we want to keep switching it up. We want to go bigger, we want to go better. I think the thing is we're always searching for that bigger bite as a fisherman. And sometimes searching for that bigger bite, it may come, but a lot of times it hurts you more than if you just stuck to what you had and kept catching fish. Wow, I've never seen the river this low where I can actually see the ground. This is the middle of the tunnel. As you guys can see, I'm literally, the ground is right there. Like, wow. Never have I seen it this low. That's insane. to this spot. We've got a deeper section coming in on this curve right here. That's where I've been kind of finding most of those fish. Is on those kind of when I find a curve like this one that has deeper water. That's where I've been getting most of my bites from. So I'm hoping I can find a few here. Yep. Just how I figured, man. Just how I figured. I've got a spot further upstream that I think might be money today. It's right by a railroad bridge, and has deeper water, has cover. It's just a spot that's just that they love to hang out in. Has current, deep water. I mean, I think we're gonna make our way that way. I am not finding anything here that's out of the obvious that will be holding them. So I feel like I'm kind of just wasting time and never mind. I'm not, guys. I'm not. They're here. They're here. They're here. Maybe we'll just keep cruising a little bit longer. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Just give it a little longer through this area if y'all don't mind. How is there not a fish in there? There is. It's a nice one too. It's a nice one too. Man, I was gonna say if there's not a fish in there, it's just, I mean, it is the juiciest spot in the world. This is one of the spots that I was kind of excited to fish. You guys see this big railroad bridge? It just goes across. Right all through here is a little bit deeper water, and this current comes off those beams. Oh, got a head one. The current rips off the sides of those beams and creates for some really good fishing sometimes. It's not as deep as I thought it was going to be. Usually if you look at this beam, usually this whole area will be covered. Even that rock pile right there to the right of that beam will be covered with water. And I mean, I can run a jig, a crankbait. It gives me a lot to work with when I usually come. But man, I can't believe how low it looks. I've never seen it like this. Got him. That feels like a good one too, guys. That's a nice spotted bass. Alright. That was insane. He hammered that. I thought it was a lot bigger the way he was fighting too. Well, we're gonna cruise about a mile back down the river, and we're gonna hit some of those spots that we hit this morning that were really productive. We're gonna go back to those spots and see if we can catch some more out of it before we leave. I feel like there'll be some more that have moved back in, and I might even try some different baits to kind of see if I can trick a few more into them. So this is the little area we were jacking them on this morning with the chatterbait and the A-rig. I wonder if maybe they're back in there. Yep, I saw him eat it. It was just a matter of time before you came out to play. There he is. Oh, that's a better one. I was not expecting that. Let's go. Man, he hammered that. Caught me so off guard. Oh, he came back. Good one. Good spotted bass. Nice one. Nice one, guys. There we go. That one finally won with a little bit of size to it. What a beautiful fish. They were chasing it all the way to the boat. It don't get any better than this, guys. It don't get any better than this. I mean, this is just too much fun. I mean, back-to-back casts. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna need that bait back though. Thank you, sir. You guys see this big old stump right here that I'm about to hit? I hit it earlier with my motor, with my big motor. Luckily, I was only going a couple miles per hour, but I hit it and I got stuck on there for a good little while. Today was 100 times more productive than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, I was not expecting the bite to be that good. And especially with the water as low as it is, it's insane to me that these fish are even biting, but they're biting. I mean, they're here. Somehow, some way, we figured them out. The last thing I expected was come out here and catch them on an A-rig, an umbrella rig. That was the last thing on my mind. I had it tied on, so I decided to try it, and here we are, catching fish on an A-rig at the river in 2-3 foot of water, which is mind-blowing to me, but hey, we did it. We had a successful day. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you do, please hit that like button, and until next time, I'll catch you later. Peace.
Every Christmas, baby, reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing.